Now to make auto refresh 5 seconds query. I had updated the SQL command. Now in 38 SQL transaction, I pull down all. Now right after XML HTTP request I will run build header, which is building of table header. In HTML file I enable back those variable. Next, as I didn't write code for table width size, I usually just put the HTML code for table. These two are where JavaScript code will output data. Cache data. Cache data compare for grab new data. Interval droptimer for creating table cells slowly at interval 40 millisec. Grab new data interval at 5 seconds. Calculation for max column, divide total width by 400. Firstly I create all document element first, they are thead, tbody, tfoot, under thead. Then I make one tr element to make row. Appending another td element to cell. Inside the cell inner HTML I input table name inventory list. And do the same for tfoot. As for tbody I just make one row append. Next interval drop, which is run interval drop at interval 40 millisec. Starting with check, if true. This will check if cache data.length total is greater than I is not declare inside the function, which I set it in global variable HTML file and is 0. If cache data greater than I at if, will run. Inside if true bracket. Create td element first. Set the CSS class name and align center. Each drop make td element, inner HTML with cache data set I for inventory name. This matches the object creation above. Not the inventory name one which is value of it. Then you append it to tbody. Next td element same class and alignment, inner HTML with cache data inventory count, which again matches above. And again append to tbody. Another condition. If max column hit set column count 0. Make another tr row element. Append to tr body not td body. If count column not equal max column. Count column plus plus. This complete one of the 40 millisec. Which increase I to move next data set. And if condition I lesser than cache data length I will do clear away 40 millisec interval function and perform grab new data. Get XML HTTP response. Parse split underscore. Reset the return index counter for reuse. Start for loop. Create two variable. Increment return index by 1 plus 1. Create class object. Push into array cache data compare. You can see part of grab new data is same as simple count XML HTTP request except it push data into array cache data compare. This is to get new data pull from server. Condition if cache data compare length minus cache data length. If you get 43 minus 38 records you can few record. For loop these few by count cache not greater than cache data compare. For record 39, 40, 41 it will push back cache data to increate record set. With these new data perform interval drop again by setting interval. Condition if cache data compare minus cache data get 0 which is false. Meaning no new data which will perform set timeout 5 seconds to perform grab new data again. Uploading script. As you can see, table head inventory list of 38. All 38 record pull down in 4 column. And end of inventory at table foot. Now to test column script, I adjust and refresh. Playing around, you should be able to see the max column count is for this effect. Back at JavaScript. To use the value URL of the picture, I will alter inner HTML adding image tag to create pull image effect. Always use hyphen as quote is already used in front, if not error will occur. And 1 hyphen at source equal 1 hyphen at end of tag. Update again. As you can see, all URL converted into tree picture. Now I will perform chop tree, and side by side the inventory will update every 5 seconds. As you can see, 2 new tree added. This completed the every 5 seconds grab new data from server.